Low-calorie foods that fill you up? The most challenging aspect of diet for most people is cutting back on calories without eating less of what their body requires, and even more because calorie counting can be pretty hectic to do every single day. What is a calorie? A calorie is a unit measurement of energy released when your body breaks down food through digestion. The more calories a food has, the more energy it will release. The body uses the energy released for different body processes, including providing energy for cell function. What is the recommended daily caloric intake? An adult's general daily calorie intake can range between 1 to 3,200 calories per day. For instance, a male adult needs between 2 to 3,200 calories per day, while a woman needs between 1 to 2,400 calories per day. Chia seed. They contain a good amount of soluble fiber and protein to increase satiety, slow digestion, and prevent cravings. The soluble fiber absorbs water in the stomach and swells, giving you a feeling of fullness. It also slows digestion, keeping you full longer. Oats. They are also a good source of protein and fiber, especially beta-glucan, which has been shown to improve cholesterol, boost immunity, and fight cancer cells. Quinoa. It's a great source of minerals such as iron, zinc, magnesium, and antioxidants, including quercetin and chemoferol, which have been shown to protect against cervical, breast, colon, prostate, and bone cancers. Lentils. Lentils are one of the most budget-friendly legumes for a low-calorie but filling meal. They are rich in protein, fiber, and minerals, including manganese, folate, iron, copper, and magnesium. Kidney bean is a highly satisfying low-calorie ingredient used in different cuisines around the world. Chickpeas. Due to their high fiber and protein content, chickpeas are very filling and have a powerful effect on hunger and appetite. Cucumber. Including them in salads can fill you up quickly without weighing your stomach down. You can also enjoy them with hummus or salad dressing as a quick, low-calorie snack. Spinach is an incredibly low-calorie leafy green packed with important nutrients including vitamin C and K, iron, calcium, and magnesium. Zucchini is low in calories with reasonable amounts of fiber and high water content. This may reduce hunger feelings and keep you full. Follow us for more.